This is an entry-level tonneau cover. It's very functional, it's decent quality, and it's a soft type folding cover. It is designed to do just what it does, which is keeping your luggage and cargo dry. So don't expect any real security or theft protection from this cover. It just hides what you have in the box.
What's in the box?
But it can be cut to pieces just with a simple pocket knife. Now, with that being said, I have to say that I really like it. It's very functional. I really like how it looks on the truck. It did not break the bank. I can do like 100 miles an hour and the cover doesn't even flinch. And I totally recommend it, actually. The thing that I like the most about this tonneau cover is that it's extremely durable. I mean, my youngest dog and the biggest one, Rocco. I'm trying to shoot a video here, dude. He's a long-haired German Shepherd and he uses the tonneau cover as a bed. He just gets on the truck and walks over it, and the cover just takes it. It can hold the weight of the dog with no problem. And he's like 100 pounds, so seems like it's a very durable cover. And the reason why I went for the Smittybilt brand is because their website is pretty squared up. You can find the tonneau cover for your application relatively easy. You just go to tonneau covers and you search for your truck. And in my case, it's the part number 26132. And because my truck, it's a 2015 Silverado with a 6.6 feet bed. And that's just how easy it was to find the part number. The installation process is very simple. You just put it on top of the truck's bed with these things pointing to the cab. You just put it there and put the safety on, and there we go. Then it's just as simple as just taking it and you unfold it. You literally just unfold it just like that.